Hey there folks, it's Calavela here. Today I'll show you how to level up fast in Euro Truck Simulator 2. First, let's open Euro Truck Simulator 2. Now, we'll launch the cheat engine. There we go. We've got 590 XP. Select Euro Truck Simulator 2, enter 590, choose all, and hit scan. After that's done, we'll grab a quick job to change our XP. I'll pick the shortest trip. Alright, here we go. Now I'll start the job. Okay, I'm finishing the trip to get some XP. Pressing enter. Well, I'll park for more XP, just to show you. There. Like that. Whatever, let's move on. Hit enter and we get 100 XP. Now, click next. We now have 776 XP total. Back to cheat engine, enter 776, hit next scan. There's our XP. Right click to edit and enter a new level. Look, we're already at level 30 after one more trip. There, and that's it. This has been Vela. Catch you later, everyone.